Hi, I'm Karla Olson, and I'm a full-time CLNC. I first had my training in Vegas 3 years ago, and was at that time reviewing cases for the hospital. My background is obstetric neonatal nursing. I was the advanced practice nurse for high-risk labor and delivery at a very large hospital, and I was very close to the risk department. They were constantly asking me to review cases and would get scared when they saw something with inflammatory language, and I'd review it and say, well, no, we can defend this because we did everything correct or not. So we actually had a very large case that happened, and they wanted to pin it on a nurse, and it wasn't the nurse's fault. There was something else involved, and I finally decided that why should I put in 60 hours a week while I'm getting paid for 36 as a salaried employee when I could be doing this for myself. So you kind of reach that point where you want to you've had enough. And I left and I started marketing myself. And this is now a year and a half later, and I'm here on the ship, the cruise, renewing my CLNC, writing off my renewal, which is very nice, with a thriving business. And I'm to the point now where I'm going to start needing subcontractors. Initially, one of my first cases came from somebody who saw my name in the directory. It was an attorney who contacted me, and I did work for them, and I've done work for other attorneys that way. And then I started marketing myself, and then I started getting work from other CLNCs who needed me as a subcontractor, and now I'm going to be looking at expanding and needing subcontractors myself. So I can't say how much this has changed my life, and all of the resources that you've given us have really helped me with my practice. When I got my first case, I went back to my textbook to review, make sure I did everything right. And you know what? People say to me, Karla, you're the only person I don't have to double check because you are so thorough in what you do.